So over here you can see that I am inside of a channel, and if I were to go around and open up these tabs right here, then you can see that I can access out different Word documents right here and even other type of Office files. So within the tab itself, you can see on the right hand side, you get the start conversation option. So once you go around right here, you can see that the chat opens up on the side right here. So you can just go around and then start having a conversation over here, and it'll be linked on to this particular tab right here. You can go around over here on test right here, and over here you can see that you can have a conversation regarding this file. So you can go around onto Wiki right here. So for Wiki, what you can do is over here on the side, you can see that there's the source section conversation. So you can click on this, and over here as well, you can start having a conversation, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can see that the conversation gets tagged onto these very tabs right here. And if you were to go around into the post, then you can see the comments over here as well and which file it is associated with. So that is how you can actually have in conversations in tabs inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.